Hi, I'm Gayatri. Today in this video, I'm going to revisit the valuation of eBay inclusive stock which I had done a year back using the Hold Lens investment tool and evaluate if the valuation still holds good or if there's a different scenario out there in the future of eBay.
eBay Inclusive is a multi-billion-dollar business with operations localized in over 30 countries, covering widely over the US. It is the world's online marketplace which helps in connecting buyers and sellers globally. Marketplaces is the biggest segment, displaying over 550 million listings and 128 million active users all over the world. Payment segment includes PayPal, spread over 193 markets, Bill Me Later, operating in the US, and Zong in China. The enterprise segment was formed following eBay's acquisitions of GSI Commerce in 2011. Let us now revisit the valuation that I had done a year back. Back then, the current market price of eBay stock was 50.82 USD and the warranted price as predicted by the Hold Lens was 63.06 USD, and my recommendation was to buy the eBay stock. Let us now reevaluate and see if my recommendation was right. For that, we will first look into the whole's perspective and then take into account my views based on the recent happenings. On doing the past trend analysis of the relative wealth chart, one can say that the CFROI levels have always been above the cost of capital. Hence, eBay has done a good job of creating economic wealth, and hence it should look into investing into its assets, which it has done aptly. The results of this can be observed from the price movements relative to the S&P index. Coming to the sales margins and turns chart, from the margins panel, one can say that the bars have consistently been at the same levels, but the asset turns bars are going down and this has to be worked on. Let us now take into account the corporate life cycle. According to the Whole's view, it is currently in its fade stage, but I would negate that taking into account its recent acquisitions. Coming to the valuation part, the current market price is at 55.19 USD, which is almost $5 above the current market price a year back then. But the warranted price predicted has fallen down to 58.17 USD from 63.06 USD, which I would totally agree to, taking into account a few risks eBay might be facing with. Now that we have looked into Whole's perspective, let me put forward my views on it. Let us take into account the recent acquisitions of eBay. eBay acquired Shuttle, the UK-based marketplace that uses a network of couriers to deliver local goods within a couple of hours of an online purchase, which totally is going to add to its advantage. eBay acquired Physix, a company that develops 3D visualization and simulation technologies for clothing. This virtual try-on features could help reduce the friction that some purchasers face when contemplating whether they should purchase an item without seeing it or trying it on, though with the disadvantage that virtual try-on technologies haven't really picked up. But if used in the right way, this will be the future. eBay's PayPal acquired Chicago-based payments gateway Braintree, which will help in acquiring more business. This deal will help eBay to get more involved in the area of payments using smartphones and tablets. Now let us compare eBay with its peers. From the relative wealth chart, we can see that eBay is doing quite well in comparison to Akamai Technologies. And it even ranks ahead of its peer Google for asset turns and Amazon for operating margins. Over the past month, both its price momentum and CFROI revisions have been stronger than the average of its peers. Let us take into account the potential of e-commerce industry. It being in its nascent stage, it still has a lot of scope for growth. eBay has consistently been creating shareholder value by achieving high CFROI levels above the cost of capital and reinvesting in the business for the past 3 years. Despite an overall score of above average for accounting risks, the company is identified as having risks in the following areas of accounts payable, asset quality, other assets and liabilities that are material and growing. Price momentum has been weaker than that of its peers over the past month, but CFROI revisions have been stronger. Now, taking into account all the factors, that is, the Whole's perspective and my views, I would recommend to hold the eBay stock. Thank you.